In a world shaped by technology, ICT is more than just a requirement. It is a path to opportunity. At Ajiro Tech Private Tutoring, we prepare students for the February-March 2026 IGCSE ICT examination with structure, precision, and expert guidance. When understanding becomes skill, success follows naturally. Practical A builds the essentials: document production, databases, and presentation. Each lesson is designed to strengthen accuracy, speed, and confidence. Every small skill today becomes a major strength tomorrow. Practical B develops true digital competence. When we look at file management, image editing, web page, we bring it all together to website authoring and spreadsheet application. We train students to think critically and work efficiently under exam conditions. In ICT, mastering isn't memorized, it's developed. For theory, we break down every topic clearly, reinforce every keywords, the command words, and practice real exam questions until understanding becomes second nature. Preparation builds confidence, guidance builds excellence. Enroll now for the IGCSE ICT February-March 2026 private tutoring program. Begin your journey today at ajirotech.com or message our sales team info@ajirotech.com or ajirotech@gmail.com. Ajiro Tech Tutoring, where understanding leads to excellence.